Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore how to generate asset IDs by combining the product names with a prefix. Let's say we have a table with product IDs, product names, and prices. We want to create unique asset IDs for each product. Using the concatenate function along with VLOOKUP in Excel, we can achieve this easily. In our example, we have a list of products with their IDs, names, and prices. We'll use the concatenate function to add the prefix asset dash to the product names retrieved by VLOOKUP. Let's dive into Excel and see how. It's done. Write the formula. Type equal to type concatenate bracket start inverted comma type asset dash inverted comma close type comma type VLOOKUP bracket start select fruit name type comma select range type comma type column number 2 type comma type false bracket close press enter key. And there you have it. With a simple concatenate function combined with VLOOKUP, we've successfully generated unique asset IDs for each product in our list. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.